Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Cinquanta Cox-Smith of www.cinquantacoxsmith.com. Smile for me. Today I am here with a monthly niche research video where we throw out 3 different niches and we do research for it and we find out if we want to create a t-shirt, journal, interior, or journal cover. We are in the month of August, so let's go ahead and get into it. But until then, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell to be notified every time that I release a new video. We're going to go over to our wheel of names, and the 3 topics we have for the month of August is back to school, sunflower, college, freshman. I'm going to go ahead and click to spin, and let's see what it will land on. All right, it was a close one, and it looks like we have back to school. Woo! Go ahead and remove that. Back to school. I think let's do a t-shirt. I think a t-shirt will be good for this actual thing. Let's see if I can find, I always forget where I go into to find these templates. And it's not that. Oh, this is the other thing that we can do. I think I've told you guys this before. You can just type in t-shirt. So, school t-shirt. Love that Canva has that option. So, since it's back to school, we can find a template that kind of, helps us get to it. And I kind of like this. Do the math. That's super cute. Hello, kindergarten. Feel the rush. Sophomore. Kinder crew, Dean's List, seniors, playground. Nothing is jumping out to me completely right now, but let's see what we can do something with. So let's look at this Kinder. I'm gonna probably completely change that rainbow out and change it and make it a different one. We're gonna go ahead and ungroup this, and we're gonna get a more flashy rainbow in there. I was about to write flashy instead of rainbow. More of a kitty rainbow. Let's find a different. So here is one of my fonts, but I don't like it with that. This more structured. Let's see. Okay, kind of like that. Let's see. I think I do have another one that's like kitty, kinder crew. Okay, let's change. Oh, we can't change the colors. That's the only thing with that one. Because I want a rainbow that I could change the colors. I could change the color on that one. It seems like we're going to probably do a more girly color. I'm going to add some of my favorite colors in there. Of course, purple. And we're going to do different colors of purple. And I want to keep the yellow, but I think I want to do it. Nope. I want to do it a little brighter. And then I'm going to change this blue to one of my favorite blues. And then we're going to do pre-K crew. Got to give some respect to the pre-Ks. Pre-K kids. We're going to do this in a all. We're going to do the pre-K in one of the darker purples. And then we'll do the crew in the yellow. We have the blue. Well, let's do the blue at the end. We have my blue. And then we have this purple. And then we have that purple. Now we have pre-K crew. Let's bring this down just a little bit. See how much further we can bring this out without it going off the page. There. And that looks so cute. So cute. Now we have pre-K crew for a pre-kindergartner first day of school shirt. And we can go ahead and I'm just going to change this school t-shirt, and I'm going to download this as a PNG with the transparent background, and we've created a pre-K t-shirt for our back to school theme. And this is just an example of what it looks like. And I know you guys know that Canva can print shirts for you. I've created a shirt on Canva. I've showed the video of it and I've unboxed it. So check out my Canva tutorials playlist if you would like to see that video. But this is our August niche research back to school. We just created a t-shirt design, so make sure you guys come back throughout the month of August to see us create a journal interior and journal cover with one of our last two niche ideas. And until next time, I love you more than I love this video. Peace.